So guys, welcome to Guam. This island in the Pacific belongs to the United States, but there's a really cool thing to check out if you ever come to Guam, and that is the cave of Yokoi, which was a Japanese soldier who in 1944 didn't know that the war ended. He hid up here in the jungle in this cave right here. And then it took 28 years for him to come out of hiding. Some people say he didn't know that the war ended. Some people say he found out sometime in the 50s, in the early 50s, but didn't want to get out of hiding because of his ideology that it would be shameful to give up. But anyhow, it's a remarkable story how this guy survived 28 years inside this cave. So how did the Yokoi survive in the jungle 28 years in this little cave? Well, according to himself, he fished fish in the water in the little river next to the cave, ate mangoes, shrimp, and then one day, we were two local in the early 70s, after 28 years in the jungle, two villagers saw him, and he attacked them because he thought they were going to hand him over to the evil Americans, and they outmanned him and brought him to the authorities, and that's how he returned to civilization. And he actually returned to Japan as a hero, having done all this for such a long time. Cool story, huh?